Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to create WebDriver instance in single line using create method and how to stop your browser from being closed while using create command. This create command is introduced in this create command was introduced in WebDriver Manager 5. So I have already created a class WebDriver instance using create, and I will create a WebDriver instance and we will launch Google Chrome. So we'll type WebDriver Manager dot, as we will use Chrome. So I will use Chrome driver dot setup, and then we will create the WebDriver instance. WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver. So it is showing me error for the Chrome driver. I need to import this one. Yeah, and then we will hit the Google Chrome URL. We will hit the Google URL driver dot get, and then we will pass the URL https:// google.com. And if you want, you can print the title of that browser as well. I will pass here driver dot get URL, driver dot get title. So let's execute this test case. So you can see that it has opened the google.com and it is printing the title also. So in this code, I created WebDriver instance in 2 lines. WebDriver manager.chrome.setup, and then in second line we are creating a WebDriver instance. So now if I do not use setup method, if I use dot create, this create method was introduced in WebDriver Manager 5, and then WebDriver driver equals to this. I will comment out this line, last line, this line. So you can see it here that we are creating a WebDriver instance in single line with the help of this create method. Let me execute this code now. So you can see that Chrome driver was started successfully and it was printing the title, but it has closed that driver. It has closed that browser. So why did it close it? Because inside this create method, if you use this create method, WebDriver will automatically close your browser. This is the feature with this method. In some case, it is an advantage so that you are creating the WebDriver instance. Once your test case is done, you don't need to call the driver.quit explicitly. It will automatically close it. But in some case, you do not want to close your browser. For example, right now, when I was just showing this demo, I wanted to show you how the browser was open, but it got automatically closed. So for that, if you do not want to close your browser, what to do? There is one more command. There is one more method which we have to use. After Chrome driver, select avoid shutdown hook dot create. So let's try to execute it again. So this time, if you notice, it did not close the browser. So let's see this about this method. This is the WebDriver Manager documentation. On this website, I will type avoid shutdown hook. And if you see it here, it is mentioned avoid shutdown hook for driver objected created with create. So if you are using create method and if you do not want to close your browser, then we have to use avoid shutdown hook method. That's all for this video. I hope you like this session. We will meet in next video. Thank you.